The following data show the type of singers in a 50-person choir. S refers to sopranos, A refers to altos, T refers to tenors, and B refers to basses. So in order to create this frequency distribution table, we're going to count the number of each type. So what I like to do is, because there are so many observations, is cross them off as I'm counting them. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 sopranos. So I'm going to do the same thing with altos, tenors, and basses. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 altos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tenors. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 basses. And just to double check our work, 14 plus 14 is 28, plus 12 is 40, plus 10 is 50, and we're done.